Hey, it's Alex, founder of Couch. Today we're digging into Cozey, a brand that has doubled down on modular design, removable covers, and making furniture that's not just stylish, but actually easy to live with. Cozey leans hard into practicality. Easy to assemble, washable fabrics, apartment-friendly delivery, and performance textiles that can survive real life. But all that efficiency is only worthwhile if it also feels comfortable, durable, and enjoyable long after the boxes arrive. So in this video, we're going to explore the brand not as a sales pitch, but as a real shopper would. We'll walk through how the site works, how Cozey builds its sofas, and what it feels like to sit on, live with, and care for three of their most talked about pieces. Let's hand it off to our trusted AI furniture expert, Couchy. Couchy, take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Cozey is built around a very practical idea. Furniture should adapt to your life instead of locking you into one setup. The brand focuses on modular seating, easy care materials, and logistics that work in real homes, especially apartments and shared spaces. What separates Cozey from many modular brands is how much of the system is designed to reduce friction. Fewer tools, fewer moments where you feel stuck with something that no longer fits your space. As you move through their lineup, that philosophy shows up everywhere. That makes it easier to start small, change layouts, or add pieces later as your space evolves. The logistics support that idea. Everything ships in clearly labeled boxes sized to fit through standard doors and elevators. Assembly is tool-free. Let's look at the three sofas we are featuring, because each one highlights a different side of Cozey. First, the Ciello. The Ciello is one of Cozey's core everyday designs. The profile looks relaxed but still structured. The seat depth feels comfortable without being overly deep. One of the biggest advantages here is the removable covers. If something spills, you unzip and wash instead of hoping a spot cleaner works. The performance fabrics used on Ciello are rated for high double rub counts. That is a durability metric that measures abrasion resistance. It signals the fabric is built to handle daily use. Because the Ciello is modular, you can expand it into a sectional later. You are not locked into one layout. Next is the Atmosphere Sectional. This one is built for deeper lounging. When you compare dimensions, you can see the seat depth is generous. This is the kind of sectional where you stretch out for a movie or curl up with a blanket. Some Atmosphere configurations include hidden storage inside the seats. That is not a design gimmick. It is practical for smaller homes and apartments where extra storage actually makes a difference. The covers on many Atmosphere configurations are removable. That gives you flexibility long term. If a high-traffic seat starts to look worn, you can replace the cover instead of replacing the entire sofa. Finally, the Neptune. The Neptune blends sofa comfort with sleeper functionality. Visually, it still looks like a regular sofa. The frame stays clean and tailored. When you convert it into a bed, the mechanism is smooth and straightforward. It does not feel overly bulky. That is useful if you regularly host overnight guests, but do not want your living room to look like a spare bedroom. Like the other models, Neptune uses performance fabrics and modular construction. Across all three sofas, Cozey emphasizes a few key things. Modularity so you can reconfigure instead of replace. Removable covers in many collections. Performance fabrics built for daily wear. Tool-free assembly. Delivery is free across most of the continental United States and Canada. Warranty coverage is 5 years limited for manufacturing defects. So who is Cozey best for? Cozey works well for people who want flexibility, people who move, people with kids or pets, people who want washable covers and the ability to refresh parts instead of replacing everything. If you are looking for heirloom-level hardwood frames and traditional luxury construction, this may not be your category. If you want modular, practical seating that ships fast and adapts to real life, Cozey makes a strong case.
Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.